Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing $327 earned overnight. No boss, no commute, no college degree, just your laptop and a few AI tools that didn't even exist 5 years ago. Right now, thousands of people across the United States are quietly building online income streams using AI. Some started with $0, and some are already making $5,000, $8,000, even $10,000 a month. So the question is this actually real or just another internet hype? Today, I'm going to show you 3 AI side hustles Americans are starting in 2026, and one of them might completely change the way you think about money. Part 1, the new American dream. For decades, the American dream looked like this. Graduate college, get a stable job, work for 40 years, retire at 65. But today, that dream is changing. Rent is rising. Groceries cost more than ever. And millions of Americans are realizing something important. One paycheck isn't enough anymore. That's why more people are looking for side hustles. But here's the problem. Most side hustles require time. Driving for rideshare, delivering food, working extra shifts, you're trading more hours for more money. And eventually, you burn out. But AI is changing that. Instead of working harder, people are learning how to work smarter. Part 2, the first AI hustle, AI content creation. Let me tell you about Mark from Texas. Mark worked in a warehouse for 10 years. Long shifts, low pay, and barely any savings. One night, he saw a video about AI content creation. At first, he thought it was nonsense, but curiosity got the better of him. He spent a weekend learning how AI tools could help create YouTube scripts, blog articles, social media posts. Within 2 months, Mark started offering AI content services to small businesses, local gyms, real estate agents, online stores. His first client paid $150. Then another paid $300. 6 months later, Mark was earning over $6,000 a month doing work that used to take hours in just minutes. Why? Because businesses don't care how the content is made. They just want results. And AI helps people deliver those results faster. Part 3, the second AI hustle, faceless YouTube channels. Now let's talk about something even more interesting. Faceless YouTube channels. You've probably seen them. Channels where no one shows their face, just stock footage, narration, and storytelling. Many creators are now using AI to help with script writing, voice narration, video editing ideas. Some channels are earning money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. A creator in California reportedly started a finance channel explaining simple money concepts. Within a year, the channel grew to hundreds of thousands of viewers. What made the difference? Consistency, not perfection, and tools that helped speed up the entire process. Platforms like YouTube reward creators who upload consistently. AI simply makes that easier. Part 4, the third AI hustle, digital products. The third side hustle might be the most powerful. Creating digital products, things like ebooks, online guides, templates, small courses. Here's why this is powerful. You create it once and sell it forever. Take Sarah, a graphic designer in Florida. She used AI tools to help brainstorm and organize a simple guide. 50 Instagram post ideas for small businesses. She sold it for $9.99. That doesn't sound like much, but when 500 people buy it, That's nearly $5,000. And the product was created in just a few days. This is what people mean when they talk about scalable income. You're no longer trading time for money. You're building assets. Part 5, the truth nobody talks about. Now, before you get too excited, we need to talk about something important. AI is not magic. It won't make you rich overnight. And most people who try side hustles fail for one simple reason. They quit too early. The people who succeed are the ones who treat it like a real opportunity. They learn, they test, they improve, just like any other skill. AI is simply a tool. The real difference comes from the person using it. Part 6, why this trend is exploding. There's a reason this trend is growing so fast in the United States. Three major shifts are happening. First, AI tools are becoming easier to use. Second, more people want location freedom. And third, companies are becoming more comfortable working with remote freelancers. 10 years ago, these opportunities barely existed. Today, they're everywhere. And the people who start early often have the biggest advantage. Part 7, the real opportunity. Think about this for a moment. Right now, someone in a small apartment in Ohio, or a coffee shop in New York, or a quiet suburb in Arizona could be building a business online using tools that cost less than a monthly gym membership. That's something that simply wasn't possible before. And while some people are still debating whether AI is good or bad, others are quietly building income streams that could change their lives. Call to action. So here's the real question. 5 years from now, when AI tools are even more powerful, will you look back and wish you had started learning today? Or will you be one of the people who took the first step? If you enjoyed this video and want more ideas about modern side hustles and financial freedom, consider subscribing. Because the way people make money is changing faster than ever. And the earlier you understand it, the bigger the advantage you'll have